Hello everyone and welcome to my channel of Vespa Fix and Fun. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the DR Kit 135cc, and this is the kit for the Vespa PX80. It's a German series. You have to be careful that what is your engine model is using, because the size of the connecting rod is different. And today I'm going to review on this product that's supported by the Northern Scooters Hamburg, sent me through the Germany here, and let's take a look what is inside. The box is already opened by me before, and the kit is include specification of the DR kit. Is mentioned correctly that is for PX80 135cc. It is to shift up your cc, and this is a very nice plug and play kit. So in the box is include the aluminum gasket for the cylinder kit, a very nice Island cast cylinder head, mark it clearly DR. The iron cast DR barrel, also mentioned DR. It's good that there is no mention about the CC, because I don't want to have problem when I do TUV. And the last thing in the box is the piston. My friend also include the jet head for your carburetor, because the only thing after install is to change just the end jet of the carburetor. Piston rings. Piston is very nice kit, and in the kit it said the diameter of the piston is 60 millimeter. The connecting rod, pin, and the piston lock, and the ring gasket to put on the stud head bolt. Yeah, I think it's a 4-piece of that. So this review is to show that what is included inside the box, and it's really plug and play. You just change your old cylinder set kit and just change the main jet, and your Vespa will be upgraded to the bigger CC to 135. So if you're interested to upgrade your Vespa from 80cc to a higher cc, and in this kit is the to 135, you can contact to our supporter website, which I describe and put it under the description below under the clip, and with the special price of €169 only to get a complete of this kit plug and play. So I hope you enjoy your Vespa, and see you next clip. Bye bye.